Arrive AI, ticker symbol ARAI, was previously a little-known company. Now it's continually making its way back onto more and more watch lists. Arrive is disrupting the age-old mailbox by pioneering the emerging market for automated exchange of packages and goods between people, robots, and drones with its autonomous last-mile ALM mailbox. ALM, also known as ALM Access Point or Arrive Point, is designed to enable smart, secure, and frictionless exchange of packages, goods, supplies, food, and medicine between people, robots, and drones. Arrive's ALM ecosystem consists of three primary components: a network of ALM mailboxes or ALM access points, an ALM platform with software services, and AI and ML technology. The ALM access points are designed to universally support autonomous robot and drone delivery services, incorporating secure chain of custody capabilities and temperature-controlled delivery options. The company has several pilots in place with various customers, including a Fortune 500 logistics company, a Sunbelt innovation campus, and an East Coast specialty pharma logistics company. These pilots aim to evaluate the potential ROI for the customers and assess the feasibility of integrating Arrive's Mailbox as a Service (MaaS) solution with their operations. Arrive's MaaS subscription model is designed to accelerate market adoption by reducing upfront costs and operational complexity. The company planned to launch MaaS services with pilot customers in early 2025, transitioning into full production over time. Based on internal projections, Arrive estimates that it will have obtained the critical deployment mass and utilization rates needed to improve its initial AI and ML models by 2026, delivering improved customer experiences and operational insights. The company employs a hybrid development approach, leveraging foundational third-party models and open-source software. While none of Arrive AI's software is currently proprietary, the company intends to develop proprietary ML and AI models tailored to its unique data sets as operational data volumes increase. Arrive AI estimates an 18-month operational data collection timeframe will be required to reach critical mass for effective ML and AI training and improvements, assuming deployment of at least 200 actively utilized ALM access points with a utilization rate exceeding 3 deliveries per day. The company aims to leverage ML and AI to enhance operational efficiencies and generate additional revenue streams, such as AI-enabled dynamic pricing, predictive maintenance, and tailored customer services. In particular, there's a planned focus across 5 key areas to enhance its ALM platform and Arrive points. These areas include delivery, pickup, users, environment, and autonomous logistics, all of which are contingent on scaling operations and collecting sufficient data. In the delivery area, Arrive AI plans to collect data such as package dimensions, delivery times, and customer identifiers. This data will be used to optimize package placement in ALM mailboxes and anticipate delivery times to preemptively unlock mailboxes and reduce theft. For pickup, the company plans to collect data on package return types and pickup schedules. This data will be used to classify return packages into categories to optimize reverse logistics and anticipate return pickups to improve mailbox space management. In the user's area, Arrive AI plans to collect data on usage frequency, delivery preferences, and transaction histories. This data will be used to personalize services and optimize delivery schedules. For the environment, the company plans to collect data on weather conditions, temperature, and sensor readings from ALM mailboxes. This data will be used to optimize delivery schedules or alert users to potential risks. In autonomous logistics, Arrive AI plans to collect data on route conditions, mailbox availability, and vehicle telemetry. This data will be used to generate new routes based on environmental conditions, user behavior, and mailbox availability to improve delivery efficiency. As the company expands its installed ALM AP network footprint and foundational AI models become more sophisticated, it anticipates identifying additional innovative applications of these technologies. Achieving these outcomes will depend on successful deployment, sufficient operational data collection, and continued technological progress. Arrive AI is positioning itself in the emerging autonomous last mile ALM market through its comprehensive intellectual property portfolio, purpose-built solutions for autonomous robot and drone delivery integration, and a strategic focus on converting potential competitors into partners. The company recognizes emerging competition from smart locker box and mailbox companies, as well as automation providers developing point solutions for last-mile delivery handoffs. Arrive AI's strategy leverages its technological advantages to position its ALM solutions as the industry standard. The company expects to have 3 primary revenue streams: MOS, data monetization via ML and AI, and operational platform fees. MOS provides ALM access points to businesses and consumers through a single monthly subscription fee, including hardware, software, support, maintenance, installation/uninstallation, and financing for long-term field assets. Data monetization via ML and AI is expected to generate insights and enhance services for customers and partners. The company plans to use ML for local IoT data processing and edge computing, while AI will be used to analyze and derive insights from network transactional and environmental data. However, achieving the desired scale for AI or ML optimization and network-wide operational improvements requires a minimum of 5,000 deployed and actively utilized ALM access points. Operational platform fees will be generated through the ALM platform, which provides valuable services and insights to stakeholders in the ALM ecosystem. The platform will include features such as arrival/departure scheduling, space optimization, smart delivery notifications, and automation issue/obstacle detection. Key milestones for achieving revenue for sustainable operations include the implementation of contracted use cases in specialty pharma and assisted living communities in 2025, completion of AP4 development, and development of AP5, a comprehensive universal solution supporting all drone and robotic delivery operations. In short, AP5 is envisioned as a platform of services to multiple partners and automation operators for scheduling arrival and departure times, optimizing space utilization, and delivering real-time data and smart notifications. In December 2023, ARAI acquired certain assets of Airbox Technologies, including a patent portfolio, which is expected to broaden the capabilities of its high-tech mailbox system. The acquisition also included the addition of Airbox's CEO, Brandon Pargo, as Vice President of Product Operations. The company believes that an initial focus on medical operations, starting with medical campuses and later expanding to their extended networks, will provide a successful and profitable growth path towards more ubiquitous availability of automated delivery and pickup. ARAI has made early market progress, including the first demonstration of a multi-smart mailbox AP2 deployment and delivery use in partnership with USPS in Lawrence, Indiana in 2022. The company currently has statements of work, SOWs, with a Fortune 500 logistics company, a Sunbelt Innovation Campus, and an East Coast specialty pharma logistics company. Additionally, 3 prospective Midwest hospital chains are awaiting further analysis and investigating drone flight approvals. By focusing on the delivery and pickup of lab samples, medicine, and supplies on medical campuses, and then reaching out to their local networks of medical business partners, ARAI can build a requisite foundation and ROI for further spreading ALM mailboxes into communities and other use cases for automated delivery like food, goods, and services. The company plans to recruit and partner with strategic leaders in the automated delivery of food, goods, and services by demonstrating the advanced universal AP5 to them in 2026. ARAI currently has active customer development and pilot agreements with businesses in the logistics and healthcare sectors, where it is deploying AP3 or collaborating on the design of AP4 with these customers. Large automation companies and retailers are independently investing in automated operations and ALM-based business models, conducting their own pilots in various locations. While ARAI aims to recruit similar partners and participate in larger pilots, it wishes to clarify that it is not affiliated with these companies or their pilots, and there is no guarantee that any affiliation or partnership will occur in the future. The company's current strategy is to focus on automation pilots in critical and high-margin medical logistics before expanding into larger, lower-margin, autonomous automation markets with similar strategic partners. ARAI believes this approach will maximize ROI and accelerate its speed to market. Along with medical operations, large assisted living communities are also served, which is in line with the focus on niche markets that can be well served before expanding to adjacent ones. The company has begun its go-to-market strategy by targeting the autonomous last-mile needs of these 2 synergistic markets. In medical operations, ARAI defines its target market as hospitals, medical campuses, and laboratories with associated networks of doctors and clinics. The company believes that its ALM access points can provide value and ROI by improving patient outcomes and operational efficiencies across a portfolio of valuable use cases, such as weekend, off-hour, and holiday lab sample deliveries and pickups, exchanging supplies, medicine, and samples between buildings and across campuses, and serving as an external, dynamic, just-in-time supply closet. In addition to its focus on medical operations and large assisted living communities, ARAI is also planning for emerging retail growth. The company continues to progress planned capabilities development with AP5 in 2025, aimed at drone delivery pioneers like Walmart and drone network providers like Wing, Zipline, and DroneUp. As ARAI builds its MOS network and digital platform, it aims to empower these direct-to-consumer initiatives by providing secure, autonomous pickup and delivery points, further enhancing their efficiency and effectiveness. The company also plans to develop a mailbox financing exchange, MFE, software, which will enable partner financiers, businesses, and automation operators to dynamically share and sponsor the cost of MOS. The company's go-to-market strategy is modeled after a typical enterprise SaaS sales motion, relying on a direct consultative sales model in the early market. ARAI will lean heavily on meeting medical and ELM leaders at industry trade shows and providing valuable research and content on how to use its ALM technologies and offerings. The company expects to work closely with drone and robotic technology providers and automation operators/networks to coordinate utilizing its MOS turnkey solution in its target markets. To aid in the medical field, one of their newest patents expands the system's capabilities, allowing for on-demand heating and cooling, battery exchange and charging modules, explosives and anthrax detection, UV and ozone-based sanitization, weather condition sensors, package tracking and chain of custody systems, and facial recognition and two-way communication tools. These features will be particularly valuable in high-demand markets beyond healthcare too, such as food service, e-commerce, and government. Additionally, the system includes UV and ozone-based sanitization to eliminate harmful substances, weather condition sensors to monitor environmental factors, package tracking and chain of custody systems for secure delivery, and facial recognition and two-way communication tools for enhanced interaction. ARAI's CEO, Dan O'Toole, emphasizes the significance of this development, stating that it will be key for the healthcare industry and a great convenience for general consumers. This milestone further positions ARAI as a leader in autonomous delivery, providing critical infrastructure that bridges convenience, security, and compliance. ARAI's management estimates that capturing just 1% of the U.S. market could generate approximately $3.5 billion in annual recurring revenue across its three planned revenue streams: MOS subscriptions, data and AI monetization, and operational platform fees. The company's business model anticipates annual recurring revenue rates of approximately $360 for residential and $3,600 for commercial MOS subscriptions, with the potential to generate $1.1 billion in annual MOS subscription revenue by year 10. The remaining $2.4 billion in projected annual revenue would come from data and AI monetization services. While these projections are based on ARAI management's internal business forecast models and have not yet been tested in the market, they still suggest significant market potential for the company's ALM platform and MOS solution. For more on ARAI and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.